The iconic centerpiece of Temple Mount is the stunning Dome of the Rock. We won't see the ancient Jewish temples built by Solomon and Herod up here. They're long gone and supported more by faith than archaeology. But according to Judeo-Christian tradition, the Temple Mount is where Abraham came to sacrifice Isaac. And for Muslims, this is where the Prophet Muhammad ascended to heaven, making Temple Mount, or what Muslims call Haram al-Sharif, the third holiest place for Muslims after Mecca and Medina. So all three of the world's major monotheistic religions have a claim on this site, which our guide called the most contested piece of real estate on earth. The result is an uneasy division of authority between the Palestinians and Israelis, whereby the Muslim community manages the site under the religious authority of the Islamic government of Jordan, and Israel provides security, but peace is often interrupted. Exactly 1 month after our visit, access to Temple Mount was closed when clashes erupted between Palestinians and the Israeli security forces. The nearby Al-Aqsa Mosque was ground zero for the conflict. Our timing proved to be fortunate. This is the same mosque where, in 1951, King Abdullah I of Jordan was assassinated, and his 14-year-old grandson was injured. But the boy grew up to become the famous King Hussein, who ruled Jordan for nearly half a century. The plaza in front of the Al-Aqsa Mosque can hold 300,000 worshippers, making it one of the world's largest mosques. Let's take a closer look at the magnificent Dome of the Rock, which is part of the Al-Aqsa Mosque compound. This 8-sided shrine was built in 688 AD by the Muslim rulers of Jerusalem, but it has been expanded and refined over the centuries. The sides are covered with marble at the bottom and glazed tiles at the top. The structural cylinder that supports the dome is inside, forming an inner drum. Today's dome is covered with gold-plated copper panels. The incredible detail and color of the tiles make it the most recognizable building in Jerusalem.